Hello there, my dear beautiful friends. As you can see, I already rolled up my sleeves because today we're going to be opening my birthday gift. Yes, this thing is very, very heavy. And it contains something that I wished for a year now, since it came out basically. And I finally decided that, well, this year a new iPad did not come out. So I'm just going to get this one because I'm a huge video editing fan. I'm very passionate about it, and by the way, if you're wondering, this is my toy poodle. His name is Lyolik, and he's going to be featured in this video because he wished to do so. So we're going to be opening my birthday gift with my favorite gift of all times that I got for a different occasion, but anyway. If you don't mind, I'm going to be putting on my noise cancelling headphones at some point in this video if I'm bothered by the outside noises. If you hear a bird singing, that's my white dove. She's beautiful. Her name is Antoinette, and I will show her to you in a different video. And by the way, if you see me on TikTok, I'm always wearing headphones, these ones from Apple. This is basically an advertisement for Apple and the OtterBox. Just wait for it, because I'm seriously a huge fan of both. So I have this iPad right here. This is, it looks exactly like the one that I got for my birthday, but it is not. In fact, I have the comparison here between the two, and I did the screen recording for you. It will be on the screen in a second, but basically the main difference that I was looking to get, since I love video editing, is the fact that this iPad that I have right now, the 4th generation iPad Pro, the 12-inch one, the screen, the big one, has an A12Z Bionic chip with an 8-core CPU and the 8-core GPU. And basically it catches the Wi-Fi signal twice as slowly as the new one does. So the new one is twice as fast, so it's great for uploading videos to YouTube, which takes hours usually, right? And plus the M2 chip in the new one, in the new iPad, which I love. I mean, it's the same chip that is in Apple's computers, and it's an actual Apple chip. I'm also going to be going over the accessories and all the fun stuff. Now, if you don't mind, I know you can't wait for me to open it, but let me just show that I got a brand new, this one right here. This is the Defender case from OtterBox for the iPad. I used the same one for the phone, and I'm recording this video just like Apple did on my iPhone. And this is the piece from the OtterBox Defender case from the iPhone, and this is the one from the iPad. It's like huge. This is the new one. The old one I just got rid of because I didn't need this piece, but for the new one it just came in the package with it, so whatever. Now I'm gonna have 2 iPads, which is great. And I'll be showing you, basically this piece is meant for either closing, like your iPad up, just totally shutting it closed, so even if it falls down from a building, nothing happens to it. Or you can use it as a stand. So imagine your iPad in here. You can either lay it down like this and you'll have it like it's comfortable to type, or like this to watch a movie, or just as a nightstand kind of thing. That's what I used it for initially, but then I just didn't need to. The iPhone thing also has this clip that you can clip on your clothes like this, or if you press really hard, it clicks, and you can use it as a stand for your phone, either way. So OtterBox, that's the brand, does these extra protective cases. This iPad I've had for almost 5 years, since 2019 when it first came out, I believe. There's my old Apple Pencil. Wait till you see what I have in the Apple bag right here. I know you can't wait, I'm gonna keep it short, but I just want to see, because I'm curious myself, to remove this case, which takes a bit of an effort to learn how to do it, how dirty it is. Look, almost 5 years, no dirt at all. That's crazy. And this clips, so you have to basically like unclip the edges carefully, not to ruin the case. And then there's, it slides out because this is like a clip-on detail here for the spot where the Apple Pencil goes. I hope you can see. Okay, so now we're taking out the iPad, and this is the real moment of truth. 5 years, no dirt. Really? Oh my god, just a little bit of dust, but nothing crazy. Okay, and why did I do this? Why did I just endanger my old iPad? Because I want to show you the new one. It's going to come out just like this. These are my fingerprints, of course, but I mean it's going to be looking identical to this one. I chose the same color because I prefer the lighter gray. They don't have it in gold, unfortunately. And by the way, in the screen recording that I'm going to be showing you, so I'm just too bothered by the noises outside, so I'm just going to be talking like this from now on. Basically the iPad looks the same, it feels the same, it fits the same case. There it is. Okay, let me do 1 second for the thumbnail. Okay, we got the thumbnail done. My dog. Let's open it up. Okay, is it going to slide out? Yeah. Hello. I have to peel it first. Okay, let's peel and then slide it open. I guess I'm just gonna do it this way because it really needs to be forced out of here. I know you want to see the process, but it's like difficult. Oh my god. Oh, there's another peel. Now here it comes. I feel it, I just don't want to drop it, you guys. Okay, we have it. Let's just put it down here 1 second. Here is the iPad. Really, oops, the charger fell out. I really hope that this moment is satisfying for you. Let's just get whatever fell out. Oh, that's what fell out. I got it in Europe because that's where I live. At least right now. There are the instructions that just fell out of the box. We won't need a charger right now because I have one ready in case this one is not fully charged, because I do want to turn it on. Now let's peel this together, shall we? And it slides off just like that. Okay, now let's compare. That's the old one. I swear they are the same freaking size, okay? There they are. Same size. Now the back, oh, they feel the same. This one, the new one, is a little lighter actually. Really? Wait. No, not really. Maybe just a little bit. It's weird. but they are the same. This is the new one. I was seeing something in the camera. Now never mind, it's fine. So let's see. This is my iPad, okay? And now let's turn this on. Okay, it's low battery. I just connected it, thank God. I thought it wasn't going to turn on and I had to like replace it. That would have been a disappointment for me. Let's wait till it charges and we'll be back. Wait. Why wait? I can show you the accessories. Okay, so I got 2 Apple pencils. Here they are. This is mine. And these are brand new unopened boxes. Okay, because my dog right here, he likes to steal the Apple pencil, and whenever he gets a chance to, and chew on it, and then the tip, unfortunately, sometimes it gets so damaged that it just doesn't work right. This one held up pretty well. I think I've had it for a year now. Just in case I got 2, because, you know, you're getting a whole iPad. You're getting a lot of different things. You might as well double down on these ones so that you don't have the shock next time when, you know, when it breaks, when your Apple Pencil breaks. Oh, now I'm out of Apple Pencils. I need to run out and buy one. Now you already have one. This is the satisfying peel. I will open one of them. The other one is just for storage because now I have 2 iPads, so I might as well. And let's open the Apple Pencil. It opens this way. Okay. Oop, there it is. See the new thing right here? Plastic. Gorgeous. I'm gonna put it on my iPad right now. Oop! The new one works too. Cool. Where's the old one? Oh, there it is. Okay, I found it. Now let's talk accessories while the iPad is charging, I guess. We don't need the instructions. We are going to be talking accessories, so I have quite a few things in here besides the Apple pencils, because I really wanted to show you and because I might need them, even though I just don't like taking my iPad out of my Defender case, because it's very protective, and the last thing that I want to do is to drop my iPad. Like, I can drop my phone. Of course, it's in a Defender case all the time, so even if it drops, like if it drops real hard in this case, maybe it will get a crack, but that's if you drop it from a 5-story building. This is an accessory that costs also quite a lot, and it's the Magic keyboard. Yeah, I got it in black. I was thinking about white, but since I already have this one right here, which is also connected by Bluetooth, this is the original Apple iMac keyboard, because I have an iMac. And I also have this keyboard right here, which I got on Amazon for $20, basically $25, whatever it was. This connects through Bluetooth as well, and it's great, absolutely. Just as good as this one. The only difference basically is that this one, like, you need to charge both of them. Okay, they connect in pressing different buttons, but they do connect. The thing is that this row on top right here is a bit like larger. It's just the same size as the other ones, whereas here it's a bit flatter. But the other difference as well is that this keyboard has an angle and has a bit of a like steeper, deeper buttons. So whenever you get tired to be typing like this, you can just type like this instead. It depends. And this one has like, yeah, it still has an angle, it's just a little less. And the buttons are a little flatter, but whatever. Okay, you do not need a mouse for the iPad, and thank God, because I personally hate doing whatever on the computer unless I'm forced to do it on the computer, and I cannot do it on the iPad just because it doesn't have that function simply to execute that operation that I'm trying to do. I will always opt for the iPad. If I cannot do it on the iPad, then I'm forced to do it on the computer, but I just have it just in case, but I hate it. The mouse, why? Let me tell you why. Because on the computer, if you touch the screen, nothing happens. On the iPad, you can control what you do by touching the screen, and I mean, it's an interactive interface, or what's it's called, I'm not sure, but anyway, the mouse is here, and it is also present, the mouse feature, like a MacBook mouse feature on the Magic Keyboard right here, a trackpad, you have it. Why in the world would you need that on an iPad? Maybe it's because so many people who are used to be using a MacBook or an iMac, they're used to the feel of the computer, and this is an incentive from Apple to get them accustomed to be using like an iPad instead, perhaps. This thing makes the iPad so heavy I tried it in the store. It's much heavier than the Protective Defender case by OtterBox, and by any means, look at this. This is pretty, like, it's a lot, but this is so much heavier. It's like maybe 5 or 6 times heavier in comparison. It literally feels like you're holding a MacBook, like the 14-inch MacBook Pro in your hands. That's what it feels like with this thing on. Without it, it's super lightweight. I don't understand why would somebody get an iPad Air instead of an iPad Pro, because the iPad Pro is pretty lightweight, especially if you have the right case for it that protects it. Because the iPad Air, it doesn't have any utility to it unless you're just getting it for a kid, very little child, for fun. But by the way, let me open this one. It doesn't have any utility. The reason why I really wanted this new iPad, it looks the same, it feels the same, and mine works just as fine after 5 years. Can you imagine? It's a great iPad, 4th generation, but this one has a much stronger chip. It's greater for video editing, because I've noticed that my iPad, whenever I did very long videos, and by the way, if you're not aware, I have 2 other YouTube channels. One is about astrology, and it is in Russian, in case you're interested and speak Russian. Then go ahead, the link is in the description down below. And the other channel is my meditation music channel. Of course, I just title my videos there. There's not much to talk about. It's just music, but it is scientifically proven that it is good for you and for your health. Binaural beats music, it's scientifically proven to improve health overall. So if you want to visit that channel as well, but there I publish long videos, like you can put that music and listen to it overnight and increase the chances of having good health in return. So here it is, that's how it folds, that's how it closes. I guess while this one is charging, let's put my old iPad in it. It's the same size. See, it's magnetic, it goes just like that, and it closes and it waits. Oh my god, it's so heavy. I hate this feel. I do have a MacBook, so the 16-inch one, because if I travel and I need a computer, I cannot bring my iMac. It's huge with me, so I have a MacBook Pro that I almost never use. I sometimes use it just as like in the background for my very long meditation music videos to be like saved after I edit them, but I hate editing on the MacBook because sometimes I make a cut in the video and it's not as precise as I want it to be, and it's really hard like to have the patience, not being able to just touch the screen and zoom in, zoom out just like this, you know. You have to go in with the mouse, you have to, it's difficult. But anyway, this is what it looks like with the black thing on. The white one will get dirty very fast, that's why I got the black one. You know, in case I need to bring the iPad in for a presentation, for example, because I'm a student or whatever, I got the option to bring this version of the iPad with me and have it presented like this instead of in the protective Defender case, which doesn't look as appealing. And as you can see, the older one with years, it gets a little bit more damaged, not damaged but dirty, and it's inevitable to just, I tried to clean it, it does not go away. The new one is very smooth, very sleek, so it's very presentable, but this one on the other hand, it's a little less presentable. So if I don't like using this one, for example, this case, because it's much heavier, I don't see the point of having a keyboard on your iPad. But basically, if I touch it, see, since it's attached magnetically, you don't have the struggle of having to turn on your Bluetooth on your iPad and then pressing the two buttons together and holding them together for 3 seconds, just like you would connect the Beats headphones, you know, those ones. I have those ones. They just tend to break at this point right here. They snap at a certain point. I had maybe more than 10 pairs of those like in my whole entire life because I really like them, but they break after a couple of months. And I heard many people who had them really liked them, but they do snap and you have to go around with the scotch or just get a new pair. So I prefer these ones, even though they're heavier. These are the AirPods Max, right? Pro, Max, whatever. This is yeah, the iPhone is Pro Max. This is the iPad Pro. Pro and Max. This is what I choose because if I don't, I just don't like it. I love to have the best features possible. This thing works right away. Just like the AirPods, they just connect once they recognize you, just like the Apple Pencil. Once it's on, it's just on. It works. Like I can literally swipe. Can I? Okay, it does need to recognize me now. Okay, now I can swipe. Wait. Hello? Yes, it's connected. Now, can I? Oh yeah, okay. And I also can swipe. Can I? Oh, okay, it's selecting things, see? Yeah, see, this thing is just weird. I guess, yeah, I can type. I can open now like pages, a new document, for example, a blank one. Here it is, and I can certainly type, as you can see. I'm just typing weird stuff. There is a mouth. There is the ability to draw, of course. I'm just doing it kind of like in the mirror. I can't really see what I'm doing. See, like I can draw. I can. It works. Okay, there's. You can go to an Apple store and just try it out for yourself. Let's see if the new iPad has charged because I'm really curious to see what it's going to be doing, like how is it going to perform. I'm going to put the old iPad into the old case and the new iPad into the new protected case. And see, it snaps on very easily. With the iPhone it's a little easier. the iPad you have this little attachment that has to go in the right spot. Then you just clip the edges, and along the sides it has a lot of different clips, so it's super protected in there. It's not gonna get out of here as long as you click very well right here. And then here the thing is that with this attachment on the brand new thing, I'll show you this attachment. Okay, just came off. Oh, they no longer do it, thank God, because, well, thank God, because this thing honestly annoyed me so much. It used to be attached like this right here, and my Apple Pencil would just snap off because of it, so I just ripped an edge and tucked it in. I guess I can just cut it off, but this way it's like, the Apple Pencil is more secure this way. So I'm putting my thing on right now. See how I just have to tuck it in and it stays in. I really hope that the audio on this video gets recorded, because sometimes it gets lost and then I have to re-record, but I already opened everything, so then it will be partially voiceover. I hate when that happens, really hate it. Okay, so that's the old Apple Pencil, here it goes, and that's how it was. Now, since you already saw the magic keyboard and all the other keyboards here, see how many we got. We got this keyboard, we got this keyboard, a nice lilac color. By the way, you can choose a color. With Apple, the keyboards, they're very limited unless you're buying a new iMac that are like, I saw one that is very beautiful. It's a very nice yellow orange, that is my favorite color. I would get one, but my iMac, which is white and silver, it works just as good. You know, like, you can't really catch up with Apple ever, because they're always coming up with new stuff. I'm gonna put away this extra Apple Pencil away. Okay, now the moment of truth. Let me put that away as well. Will it turn on? Hello? It's supposed to be charging. Yes, it is. Okay, you guys, it finally turned on. Yes, I had to use this original charger to charge it initially, because with my preferred charger just wouldn't turn on. I guess that's the Apple thing. I will set it up and obviously use it. Here's my old iPad, just for comparison. Let's look at them. Okay, this one's upside down. They look pretty much the same, except that this one I used for 5 years now. Okay, pretty much the same, right? I mean, I think you saw everything at this point. I'm very happy and very pleased with my birthday gift. I'm going to be enjoying it a lot. In fact, please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any of my future video uploads, because with this iPad I'm gonna be way more efficient and way faster. Another feature that this iPad has, in fact I got the 2 terabyte like the maximum capacity memory, whatever, because I'm going to be filming on the iPad instead of the iPhone, because basically with the older iPad, the 4th generation, the front camera it's just 1 frame. With this one you can make it wider, so it looks like you're filming on an iPhone basically. that feature. This thing has 2 terabytes. I don't have to wait to airdrop or to somehow transfer with the cable to the computer, you know, what I filmed, because I'm not going to be editing on the iPhone, because despite of how potent the new iPhones are, they are just not as good to edit longer videos. You try to export the video and it will take you 10 hours, when with this one it will take you like maximum half an hour, you know what I mean? The uploads to YouTube, they're pretty much okay, both, like it doesn't matter, but with this one it's going to be twice as fast because of the Wi-Fi connection that it catches. This thing catches the Wi-Fi twice as more potently than this thing, so I'm very happy about it. I can't wait to enjoy it, and I'm more than sure that my review will be the best, so I guess I don't need to follow up with it. Just please subscribe, like this video, comment down below what do you think of this review. This is my first ever review of technology, and if you want to see me review anything else in the future, please let me know in the comments. And also in the description of this video there's one link. If you click on it, there's a list of links, that's my link tree, to my Instagram, TikTok, other YouTube channels, and other interesting links for you. So please feel free to explore more and get to know me better. I will be very happy to get to know you as well. I truly hope you enjoyed this video. I wish you all the best. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!